Hello everyone, and once again welcome to my channel for part 9 in Subaru Impreza assembling. Today we will work on the body, so we have to take it out and do something nice, little upgrades. You will see it. By now, remember, subscribe, like, so on. Also, this is why we are here to do this. A pleasure to be with you. Also, to have back something and your appreciation. It's very difficult to say. Apprezzamento in Italian. Appreciation, I think so. So, let's start the work. Today I would like to do something that is open some holes, some openings in the front of the body. One with the radiator. This is for the brake cooling. These are exhaust from the engine to get the air out, and this is quite ambitious, but I would like to cut also this air scope. It wouldn't be very easy to do because it's very thin. Try not to throw away the body and start working. We start from this one. Okay, and this is one. And two. This I will keep because here there's the Subaru logo, and I want to cut and put on this mesh. You will see later. And these are two. Then I have to finish. Then this one. Okay, you see? And then this one is very difficult. Now it is finished. You see it quite bad shape because all these pins are the body protection. I want to wait to take it out until I have finished to mount this mesh with all the little things that I want to do. You see, this has to go here under and perhaps paint it in black. So now I cut it, then I paint. Now that the work is, the hard work is finished, I've cutted everything. At the end, and finally, I can peel out the protection plastic film, and let's see how is it. So we can start from the rear. Wow! Look at this. Look at this. Very nice. Very, very nice. Over my expectation. This work I have done very well. Look there. There. I'm very happy. And on the car, and now stickers. Very, very happy. It's wonderful. The color is fantastic, and these parts are in a different color, so I have to paint them. In the meanwhile, I've bought this. We hope it comes the same color. So, wash, paint, stickers, cut out all the stickers, and then we decide if complete the car with Subaru stickers, the stars, the yellow things. By now I am very, very happy. Changed mind. Admiring my car, I realized that there is something that I never thought, and it is important. If you look, let me see if you can see. It's very difficult. No, not by this side, by this side. Okay. Here, between the body and the frame, there's a space, there's a hole, an empty space. And that's why all the dirt, even if you have fenders, gets into here. And real cars has not that space. So I want to do something very easy to fill up this space, so when you look from the bottom of the car, here they are, painted and with double adhesive tape. Now you have to peel it out. One and two. Find the exact position. Okay, press. Done. One and two. Here there's a little space. Okay. The other one. Okay. Yes. Here it is. Also, this is not so nice to see, but with the body, look inside. face. So the car is almost closed. And this is one, so stickers has to wait. Second, we have to paint this. And this has to be painted black, 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 body color, and here we will attach an adhesive chrome that I have. I don't know where did I find it. So, and let's begin with this. So while we are painting, we can work on this. Then, one is finished this, we can really, and this time for sure, apply some stickers. Let's go to work. This is my painting room. You have already seen it. And we start with blue. Okay, I'll show you finished. This I have painted. It is not the exact color. Okay, this is in blue, the under part in black. It's done. Bling, 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 bling. Well, now I think that for today it's enough. And next time, before stickers, these stickers are a little bit suffering. It's a story, sticker story. Because before I would like to fix the body clips with a little cord, as I've shown in other videos. Then, yes, stickers. And for stickers, for using stickers, a little upgrade, as I don't have lights on this car. I want to use this to produce the indicators, and in the rear lamps add a reflector here, just to have something shining on the car. By now, as usual, thank you very much for following me, and subscribe, give me like, tell your friends, and wait for my next video with stickers.